Hello again, everyone. This is another installment at Tea Time with Spirit Walker Crystals. My name is George.
My name is Gay.
Today we're talking about something a little bit more topical in-house, literally. Our lovely Gay is busy struggling and recovering from quite a nasty bronchitis. And there's been quite a lot of that going around these last few months, chest infections and bronchitis and things. So we thought we'd talk a little bit about some stones and crystals that would be able to aid in your recovery.
Yeah. So first of all, what I did is I thought about putting some crystals in a bottle here. But the only thing is, when you make a gem water, you have to be really careful about what crystals you use because some of them could be toxic. So I opted instead to make a bracelet. And on the bracelet, which I'll show you here, I've got some black tourmaline at the bottom there for negativity, and some carnelian there for energy, some Laramarks that's really good for the chest, rhodonite and rose quartz. Rhodonite is good for inflammation, and rose quartz because I suffer from asthma as well. And then I've got some pink opal there at the top. And right to the bottom I put a charm which I put a healing bear, and we energised it with Reiki. So what I do is I have a bottle of spring water, and at night I put the bracelet over the spring water like so that it can actually infuse the water with the energy of the crystals quite safely. And then during the following day I can actually wear the bracelet and drink the water, so I'm getting the energy from the crystals both ways.
Oh, that's such a good idea. I just brought along this beautiful, lovely big rose quartz heart just to show all of you. And as Gay said, rose quartz is phenomenally good for asthma and other chest-related things. And also, apophyllite is very, very good,
Yes, that was quite
especially
surprising, wasn't it?
for bronchitis. So, obviously this one you can just leave in the room, and what apophyllite does, it just helps lift the vibrational energy within the room. So really lovely for not just when you're recovering, but also for things like therapy rooms. It's just a lovely crystal to have generally in your house.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is all we have time for today. So just sending you all love and light and wishing our lovely Gay a speedy recovery. But anyway, we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop.